guys, Liam here, and today I have an unboxing video. I've been back not even a minute yet. It's Tuesday and something came in the mail that I ordered like a week ago or something like that. And yeah, you'll see what it is in a minute. Well, you already know because of the title, but whatever. Fidget spinner. My fidget spinner has actually come. So let's get this unboxed. Here it is. Oh my god. These things have been blowing up recently. And we're going to see what it can do. Moving on. This is my fidget spinner right now. Super happy because some of my friends have got them across the road and I haven't. And I finally get one so I can spin along.